Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. I would like to wish each of you a happy Valentine's Day 2021. I hope you've planned something special or something special was planned for you. Today, I am participating in the February Tiered Tray Challenge. This is a challenge that is hosted by Penny at Penny's Place. Each month, Penny does this challenge and anyone is welcome to join. Penny has other things that she does on her channel. She does some cooking, she does inspirational talk, she does tablescapes, and she does DIYs. So make sure that you check out her channel. She is such a gracious host and such a great friend to me. So once you get finished watching my video, make sure you go by and check out Penny's video. And also make sure you go by the playlist to see everyone's video who participated in this February Tiered Tray Challenge. Okay, let's get into my video and let's see what I came up with. I purchased 4 of these wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 3 candle holders. Well, actually, I had 3 candle holders here at the house. 1 sheet of foam board, which also came from the Dollar Tree. I'm using E6000, which was here at the house. And I'm using a pair of scissors, my glue gun, and of course, you know, I'm using my glue sticks, some red bling wrap, some red folk art craft paint. Apologies for not showing my work. This was one of those projects that I put together and then decided, you know what, I'm using this for the tiered tray challenge. So I glued these candle holders together with my E6000, let them stay overnight, and I painted my red hearts. After everything was dry, I traced around my foam board paper and I put them in between the hearts to give them some thickness and to add some weight. Once they were glued in, I added my red bling wrap just to cover everything up. Everything's painted. I know my painting is not the best, but it works for this tray. I just needed to cover that wood. This is going to be sturdy enough for me to place a good bit of items on there if I choose. So here's the stacking with the candle holders and the hearts. This is what we're looking at. I didn't want to add too much bling. I just wanted something kind of simple to sit on my table here in my living room. I wanted just a look that wasn't giving too much, but was yet giving just enough. And I picked up a gnome from Burlington, and I've been holding it for so long because I didn't know where to put it. And once the tray was put together, bam, this is where I set it. He sits right on top in his Valentine's Day outfit, and I just put a little lantern and a couple of items there on my table. My lovebirds are sitting in the back. I have a heart-shaped box with a candle sitting on top and a red rose garland. I think everything turned out really cute. I can't wait to reuse this tray for next year for Valentine's Day. I hope you have enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Remember to love ye one another. I will have some of my other tiered tray video links listed in my description box. Once again, Penny, thank you for this tiered tray challenge. I hope to see you next month. I'll be ready. Thanks again and be blessed.